Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to save any web page as PDF file using browser built-in function. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our website page and we are going to save this website page as PDF file. Now press Ctrl plus P. Now you see web page as PDF file. Now you see we have 4 pages and then you see print and then you see destination. You see multiple option. So when we select, now you see save as PDF. So click on it. So we are going to save this web page as PDF. Now you see save button instead of print. So click on it. So you can add your file name and then click on save. Now file save done. Go to folder. So this is our PDF file. Open it. Now you see PDF file save. Now back to website again. So another way to save your web page as PDF, right click on it and then you see print. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.